What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play 16 Lines by Lil Peep. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm really excited to finally announce that I'm officially doing the first round of giveaways that I'm doing for the channel. I'm going to be doing monthly drawings for different guitar related prizes and accessories and merchandise, and then I'm going to do one grand prize drawing for someone who's going to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. So stick around to the end of the video. It's very simple to enter. I'll get into all the details there. Any of you guys can enter to win any of the prizes. We'll get into all that at the end of the video, so stick around for that. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, the song is starting out in standard tuning, no capo. I will have the tabs for the picking pattern in the description below that I made myself. You're starting out with your index finger on your first fret on your low E string, your ring finger on your third fret on your A string, and then your middle finger on your second fret on your D string. You're basically keeping your hand in this formation during the entire picking pattern. Now the primary picking pattern for this is going to be E, A, E, D. So pick your E string, your low E string, your A string, low E string, D string. That's the first formation for the beginning of the picking. All you're doing from here is taking your index finger off to where your low E string is open, and you pick the exact same way. E, A, E, D. So you're starting here. Index finger off. Index finger back on for the third time. Index finger off. And your picking changes just a little bit here. You're going E, A, E, D, A, E, G. So again, that's E, A, E, D, A, E, G. Again, the tab will be in the description if you need a little bit more of a visual interpretation of it. I will play through it slowly here so you can see it again. So starting in the beginning, it's E, A, E, D, E, A, E, D, E, A, E, D, E, A, E, D, A, E, G. Now that little part does pretty much play through the entire song. I'll show you also the chords that the song is played. That way if you want to just play the chords, you can play those instead of the picking, or you can kind of mix them up. The first chord is an F chord, so you're barring your first fret with your index finger. You're going ring finger, third fret A string, pinky finger, third fret D string, middle finger, second fret G string. Your second chord is an E minor. That's your middle finger, second fret A string, ring finger, second fret D string. Then you're going A minor. Move those two fingers up 2 strings, so your middle finger's on the second fret of your D string, ring finger's on the second fret of your G string, and your index finger's on the first fret of your B string. Then your final chord's a G. Ring finger, third fret, low E string, middle finger, second fret, A string, pinky finger, high E string on the third fret. Those are the chords, 4 chords through the song that just play through over and over again. A good strumming pattern to get you going would be a simple down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That looks like this. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now I'm going to jump straight into the giveaway stuff. Again, to reiterate, I'm starting the official giveaways that I'm doing for this channel, with the grand prize being a brand new acoustic guitar, with secondary prizes being a guitar accessories kit. And then also I'm going to be giving away some merchandise as well. I'm starting to roll some of that out here soon. Shirts, hats, all that kind of stuff. Those will be parts of the giveaway as well. So to enter for the giveaway, there's only 4 simple steps that you need to do. Subscribe, turn on notifications, make sure you click thumbs up, like this video, and then leave a comment in the comment section below with a song that you would like me to teach you. So the way the giveaway is going to work is that each month I'm going to pick 2 winners, one for the guitar accessories bundle and one for the merch bundle, and then I'll pick the grand prize winner for the brand new acoustic guitar when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers. So the faster that we get to 50,000 subscribers, the faster we will get to the grand prize drawing. So make sure you enter. You're not going to want to miss out on any of these prizes. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is here on the screen now. I'm always posting stories, behind the scenes stuff, pictures. It's a good way to get in contact with me. Don't forget about the free ebook that's in the description. It will always be free on the channel. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. There's a link down there for you guys. Make sure you go grab that. Enter the contest. I'm super excited to be doing this for you guys. We'll see you in the next video.